Hi, and welcome to this quick talk about Pre-Law 101 for exploratory students. My name is Jason Storch. I'm a class residential advisor. I also work as a pre-law advisor and actually also as an exploratory advisor. So I just wanted to provide a little information to help you along your journey, academically speaking, if you're interested in pre-law. First off, there is no major at UF for pre-law. There is no minor. So any major that you want to do is acceptable for pre-law. Um, I will say there is one exception. If you want to study patent law, you would need to have a science-based curriculum. But for the most part, any major that you want, you can do. I would say choose something that you're truly interested in. Choose something that allows you to demonstrate strong writing, reading, listening, and speaking skills. Also, you can also talk, you may want to focus in on your critical thinking skills. Again, analytical reasoning skills. These are all certain skills that you want to develop to prepare you for law school. Keep academics your top priority. Establish those relationships with your professors. That's definitely key. If we look ahead, there's really 5 major components of the law school application. First is your GPA. Again, study something you're interested in, take classes that are meaningful to you. All grades matter. So these are all grades from the time you graduate high school to the time you get your first bachelor's. So if you did dual enrollment, if you take transient coursework, if you take study abroad coursework, all these grades will calculate into your law school GPA. So everything matters. Also important to note, junior and senior level coursework is evaluated a little bit higher. So you can definitely demonstrate some increase in GPA if you need to. The LSAT, which is a law school admissions test. Letters of recommendation, again, developing good relationships with your professors is important. Your resume, so with that, involvement, and that could be many different types of involvement that we'll get to in a second. And finally, a personal statement. This really kind of details why you want to go to law school. So as far as law school and deciding if it's a good fit and involvement, first ask yourself why you want to go to law school, okay? And really think about that. Take time to explore the law. You can do that through informational interviews, career-focused interviews, shadowing, internships, externships. There's summer law programs hosted by different law schools. You can go to different panels, law school panels, attorney panels. You can actually sit in a law class. There's plenty of clubs and organizations here at UF that you can take part in to kind of figure out if law is really what you want to study. You can definitely volunteer in different law-related practices. And finally, work experience is always a great opportunity to determine if law is really right for you. For the law school application, you would apply the fall before you want to start law school. So it's a rolling admissions application. Ideally, you want to apply at some point between Halloween and Thanksgiving. This gives you the best chance of not only getting into the law program that you want, but also for potential scholarships. We have a lot of great pre-law resources. If you want to meet with a pre-law advisor, there's a bunch of us. We can do in person, we can do Zoom appointments. You can see on this slide here, this is how you get a hold of us. You can schedule an appointment. We can talk about all these different application components. We can talk about things that you should be doing during your time at UF to best prepare for law school. We can help with actual application parts. We do personal statement reviews. We have a bunch of workshops and events. I would encourage you, if you're thinking about law school, to sign up for our email list, to take part in some of these workshops and really kind of figure out if law school is the right fit for you. Thanks.